create a delete API. So let's just finish the last API, which is the delete mapping, and we're gonna delete ingredients by its ID, right? So because it's not a good idea to delete all the ingredients in one API. So we just delete the ingredient by ID, and can use a public response entity as the response. So we want to delete the ingredient and also at the same time return the deleted ingredients. Okay, so we can just call it delete ingredient and need a path variable, okay, integer ID, and let's just use this one. Okay, copy paste and ingredient. We can just call it delete ingredient. Okay, so the request, change it to ID. Okay, by method we can just delete by ID, and let's create this method. Go to the implementation and also create the method here. Okay, so it's very simple for delete using ingredient repository dot remove method, delete method. Okay, and then we can delete the ingredient, okay, by the ingredients object or by ID. Okay, but if we want to return it, okay, so then we'd better first get it out and then save it in the memory and then delete it and then return it back, right? So you cannot do delete first then read it out, then it will be gone. Okay, but also the delete method, you see it returns void, means that it won't give us the last chance to look at it. Okay, look at the object. So we delete it first, later, but we firstly gonna get it out first. Okay, so we just get ingredient by ID. Okay, so ID here. And if you remember, not get reference by ID, get so this should be like this dot get ingredient by ID, right? So this is the method that we created up there. Okay, so same as update. Okay, so you can think of delete is a unique kind of update, right? So we get the ingredient. Okay, I go to this and then ingredient. Okay, and then we copy these lines to here. Okay, this one. Okay, and then that's it. So you can see we have a duplicate lines here. Okay, it's just because we use the ingredient as a return type. If we use a if we use the ingredient response, then we don't have to repeat those lines, right? So I didn't change it at the very beginning, I said, so it's just a different way that we can look at the same thing. Okay, so anyways, we have some redundancy here, okay, but we can easily fix it by updating the method, okay, of this one. All right, anyways, and now it's deleted and just need to restart the application. Go to the controller and see, okay, how it works, and the same exception handler will work again. So if we try to, let's see, duplicate the tab, change it to delete ingredient /1234, okay, and send, and then it will give us 404, right? So because it doesn't exist, and if we want to delete the 13, send. Okay, so now it's deleted. Okay, so you can see this in the backend we have a delete, and then if we go to scat, okay, so then now record become 12. Okay, if we try to delete again, okay, and it's 404, right? Because you already delete that one, so there's no way you can get another one to be deleted. Okay, so then this is the deletion API. So now at this moment we finished all the CRUD. So we have a get by pagination, right? Get all, and also we have a create, we have a update, we have a deletion. Okay, and also we have an exception handler here. Okay, so yeah, that's very complete now. Okay, thanks.